National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Boone County and north central Illinois, extreme northeastern DeKalb County and north central Illinois, western McHenry County and northeast Illinois until 8:15 a.m. At 7:29 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail. These storms were located along a line extending from Poplar Grove to Keatington and moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Keatington around 7:35 a.m., Juneau around 7:45 a.m., Harvard around 8:10 a.m., Marengo around 8:15 a.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Union.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KX41 Crystal Lake. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe